What's up everybody? I'm Maddie and I'm so excited for today's AFI DIY. We will be making an oven cleaner concentrate and it takes just a few ingredients and a few steps to complete. So let's gather our supplies. You will need a large glass beaker, a stirring utensil, a small pipette, rubber gloves and goggles, and a container to package the product. To make 16 ounces of concentrate, you will need 54.94% or 8.8 ounces of BioSoft N91-6, 24.97% or 4 ounces of Stepan MET10U, 19.98% or 3.2 ounces of monoethanolamine, 0.11% or 10 drops of fragrance. Before today's DIY, I stopped by the AFI library and I chose lemon verbena. Wow, this smells super vibrant and fresh, and it kind of reminds me of summer. We have thousands of fragrances here at AFI, and you can look through all of them on our online storefront, so go check it out. Also, don't forget to put on your gloves and goggles before we begin. Now we're ready to go. First, add BioSoft N91-6 in the mixing vessel. Next, blend in Stepan MET10U and monoethanolamine. Then add your choice of fragrance and stir well. Lastly, mix until homogeneous and pack your product. When using this product, dilute the concentrate and apply to a hard surface. Allow it to penetrate for up to 2 hours and then wipe away with a damp sponge. It's as simple as that. A great way to ensure a fresh smelling kitchen is to pair this product with our DIY trash can deodorizing tablets. To make this product, it only costs us just over $1 to make, and this can be sold wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $4 to $6. Well, that's all I have for you guys today, and thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another DIY video with AFI. I'm Maddie, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!